Notes. Presentation of products. Product list. Pre-flight preparation. Open the storage bag. Take out the remote control and the drone. Unfold the four arms of the drone. Turn on the power. Place the drone on a level surface. Turn on the remote control. The remote control sounded 3 times. The drone front light is flashing. The rear indicator light stays on. Indicates successful frequency alignment. Place the drone on a horizontal surface. Long press the gyroscope calibration button. The drone light becomes flashing. At the same time, the remote control emits a D sound. Indicates successful calibration. Long press the geomagnetic calibration button. The remote control makes a D sound. The drone indicator light becomes flashing. Geomagnetic calibration can be performed at this time. Hold the drone in your hand. Slowly turn clockwise in the horizontal direction for 3 turns. The drone light changes from fast flashing to slow flashing. The remote control makes a D sound. Indicates successful horizontal calibration. At this point, hold the drone vertically. Slowly turn clockwise 3 times. The rear light of the drone lights up. The remote control makes a D sound. Indicates successful calibration. After successful geomagnetic calibration, place the drone on a level surface. The drone will automatically search for stars. At this time, the front light of the drone flashes slowly. The rear indicator light is long. Until the front and rear lights are long, the remote control makes a D sound. Indicates a successful star search. Mode switching. Indoor or in a weak GPS signal environment, long press the GPS switch button to switch to indoor optical flow mode. Connect to Wi-Fi. Scan the corresponding QR code. Download and install the app. Go to the phone settings option. Connect to Wi-Fi hotspot. Open the app. Enter the control interface. Basic controls. Long press the 1 key unlock button to unlock the drone. 升下降左转右转前进后退左侧飞右侧飞 Press the headless mode button. The remote control beeps 3 times. Enter headless mode. Press the headless mode button again. The remote control makes a D sound. The drone exits the headless mode. Drone takeoff speed default slow gear. Rotate the speed knob to the right. The remote control D 2 times to indicate the second gear. Rotate the speed knob to the left. The remote control D 1 time to return to low speed. Turn the knob left. Lower the camera angle. Turn the knob right. Camera angle up. Press 1 touch return button. The drone will return to the initial takeoff position. Left and right hand throttle switching. Default left hand throttle mode of the remote control. Press and hold the headless mode button. Switch to right hand throttle mode when you turn on the machine again. Dual camera switching. Click on the switch camera icon. Switch between front camera and down camera. Gesture photo video. Raise one hand in a air gesture. The app will automatically take a picture after 3 seconds. Join all 5 fingers and hold one hand flat. The app will automatically start recording. Short, press the photo video button to take a picture. Press and hold the photo video button to record. Press and hold the photo video button again to end the recording. Intelligent following. Click on the smart follow icon. Select the object to follow. The drone will follow the selected object. Waypoint flying. Click on the waypoint flight icon. Draw a waypoint on the map. Click on the send icon. The drone will fly in the order of the waypoints drawn. Circumferential flight. Click on the one-click surround icon. The drone will circle around the current position. The drone will fly in a clockwise or counterclockwise circle. Battery replacement charging. Press the battery catch. Pull the battery out backwards. Connect one end of the USB charging cable to the battery charging socket. Connect the other end to the USB port. The indicator light is on when charging. Indicator light goes off when fully charged. The battery is fully charged for about 90 minutes. Once fully charged, insert the battery into the body again. Connect one end of the USB charging cable to the remote control charging socket. Connect the other end to the USB port. The indicator light is on when charging. Indicator light goes off when fully charged. Charging time for the remote control is approximately 60 minutes. Airfoil installation. Replace the A and B airfoils. Unscrew the screws. Remove the airfoil. Insert the new airfoil. Turn and tighten the screws.